Parent survival mode. Let's do this. We're starting with a fridge clean out, obviously from the holidays. It was a little bit much. Now I'm making croissants with chicken salad. It's super easy. It's great. It's light for her to eat for lunch. So I'm getting those ready. And I'm having to put everything back in containers because I don't have any containers to put her food in. Now I'm starting on breakfast. I'm going to do the egg bake for her. That's egg whites, eggs, spinach, red peppers, cheese, and bacon. But I'm also going to be working here in a minute. You'll see I'm going to do the eggs up for Bo because we're trying to get back on track after the holidays. Everything was just kind of crazy. This is Bo's spread, and his is going to go into the little egg containers that I know are the right measurements. Now I'm moving on to the celery. Everything is going into just a big tub, chopped, washed, cleaned, all the kind of stuff. Just waiting for Amazon to deliver those containers. And I'm just like trying to save time and do what I can in the meantime. Here's, I'm doing Bo's. And just getting everybody set. Here's that beautiful egg bake. So I have been slowly chipping away at meal prepping, and I went ahead and I did the eggs and things like that. I was waiting on containers to get here from Amazon. They are delayed. So now I've had to do a Walmart delivery with, I could have went to Walmart. Was I? No, I was not going to Walmart. Anyway, I had to do a Walmart delivery to get more containers for Ashton because she won't bring me her containers ever. So I'm waiting on Walmart delivery to bring containers that I can actually contain her meal prep in. Yay, containers finally arrived. So I am portioning out that egg bake. Some of it we got to keep for Andy and myself this week. We are very excited about that. And I'm finally getting to portion out everything. There's her lunches. She's going to have a great rainbow spread going on for lunch. She likes things very, very light for lunch. And I get it because when you're moving around, that's a lot. She has French toast, protein, egg, sugar-free syrup. And here is her lunch spread. It's beautiful. And I also did us a snackle box because we're trying to get back on track. Look at that rainbow. All right, moving on to her dinner. So I have homemade mashed potatoes. I have a rotisserie chicken that I took out that I had saved for this. And I am basically just making sure she has about 4 to 5 ounces per container. I'm also going to add steamed green beans into this mix. So she has a very home style type of dinner. And there that is. Isn't it beautiful? The kitchen is a disaster. It's okay. I will have my earmuffs on. I'll go into a spiritual realm and I'll clean the whole thing. Ashton really ended up with a great spread, a great meal prep for breakfast, lunch, and dinners, and even some that she could probably stretch and use for snacks too in between breaks while they're doing 2-a-days. So the main thing is that I hope that she loves it. But more importantly, I really hope that she feels really, really great this week because they're starting to hit it really, really hard because it's national season. Okay. That's it. Sunday meal prep done. Clocking out.